Okay, this is our third example of calculating the pH of a strong base. And in this case, we're going to do an example where they haven't given us the molarity. So what if they said get the pH of 9 grams of potassium hydroxide in 500 mils, 500 centimeters cubed of solution. So we have just that initial challenge again where we have to go from grams in 500 centimeters cubed to moles per litre before we can start the rest of the question, which isn't that altogether difficult. We will start with, if we've 9 grams in 500 centimeters cubed, that's equal to 9 by 2, which is 18 grams per litre. And then we don't want grams, we want to get moles. So the RMM of your potassium hydroxide is 56. So if we want to go from 18 grams per litre, divided by 56, that's the RMM, which will give us 0.32 moles per litre. Okay, now we can go back to look at our equation. So when our potassium hydroxide dissociates, it will form K plus and OH minus ions. This is a fairly simple equation because the ratio is just 1 KOH is to 1 OH minus. So if we have 0.32 moles of our KOH, then we can expect 0.32 moles of our OH minus as well. And now we can calculate our POH, which is the minus log to the base 10 of our OH minus concentration, which in this case is minus log to the base 10 of our 0.32 moles per litre. And when you plug that into the calculator, you'll get an answer of 0.49. Of course, the question doesn't end there because we were asked for pH, not POH, and we know that pH is equal to 14, take away the POH, which in this case is 14, take away 0.49, which gives me an answer of 13.51 for my pH. So that should be a fairly good set of examples of calculating the pH of acids and bases and the three situations that you can end up with. The easy ones where you're told the molarity and it's just a matter of plugging it into the formula. Then the slightly harder ones where you have a dibasic, in which case you have to look at your mole ratio and multiply it by 2. And then the slightly harder again where you're not told the molarity at all, you're just told the mass and you have to work through the RMM in order to get that to moles. That's it. Good luck with the homework.